In our last video, we discussed the UxUy protocol and mentioned the possibility of making money as a member of the platform. Today, we would shed more light into how you can make money and more money on UxUy. Without further chatter, let's delve right in. The easiest and fastest way of making money on UxUy is by acquiring the UxUy tokens. The UxUy token is the official token of the protocol and the first token that can convert social relationships into assets. So, the more you acquire and hold these tokens, the higher money you make. The good thing about tokens is that their value is not fixed and tends to increase as more people acquire and utilize them. Considering the fact that UxUy is primarily a social network, this should be a win-win situation for all. Apart from this, there are other methods of earning on this platform via giveaways, airdrops, contests, and so on. And that is all for today. We hope this video convinces you of the potential of the UxUy as the next big thing in Web3 and take the bold step to join us. See you on the inside. Until then, stay blessed.